Hi there, my name is Jared and welcome back to Deluxe Detail. Yes, we're still in the middle of a lockdown here in Melbourne, but I've still got some more footage to bring to you. Today we're going to see a Mazda CX-3. This car was in for a ceramic coat. It is a new vehicle. In this case, it's not perfect. Unfortunately, it was taken to a do-it-yourself wash bay and scrubbed down with a brush. Now that's usually okay, but the brush must have had some dirt in it and it scratched the clear coat reasonably heavily. I've taken out what I can through a paint correction before I applied the ceramic coat, but unfortunately there still is a few marks on that paint that can be seen, but only really if you go hunting for them. So the ceramic coat, it's amazing. The ceramic coat is really amazing. It's hard wearing, it makes the car so much easier to clean. You simply rinse it off after you've washed, run a chamois over, and there's really no need to even check the car. The finish is hard wearing, it lasts for years and years and years, and we highly recommend it. We can provide this service the same day, and as you know, we can do this for a fraction of the cost that most dealers can do it for. So, have a quick look at this one today. It's a really good example of really nice dark coloured paint with fantastic metallic through it. The car looks great at the end. The customer was really excited, and we're really glad we could get this vehicle done and show you how we get things done here at Deluxe. So look, if you have anything that you would like done on your car, it doesn't need to be a ceramic coat, it can be any sort of detailing. Contact us here at the site, ask for Jared, and we'll find a solution for your car. Thanks for watching.
If you